Alright, so let's go over number 1 first. Alright, so we have our function of x is equal to x squared plus 5. So we have to first find f of 2. So that means we're replacing the x in this equation with a 2. Right, so 2 squared is 4, plus 5 is going to equal 9. Right, then you do that again for 3. So 3 squared is 9, plus 5 is 14. When you have a variable here, you're just going to replace your x with an a, so it's a squared plus 5. That's as far as you can go, and that's okay. Then when you have h minus 1, again, you're replacing x with that h minus 1. So it's h minus 1 squared plus 5. So we're going to FOIL this, because remember, squared means h minus 1 times h minus 1. So h times h is h squared. H times negative 1 is a minus h. H times negative 1 again is a minus h. And then a plus 1, because negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, and then a plus 5. So then we get h squared minus 2h plus 6. Alright, so for number 6, you have, so we're plugging y plus 2 in for each of these x's. So we have y plus 2 cubed minus 6 times y plus 2 squared plus 12x, plus 12 times y plus 2 minus 8. Alright, so I'm going to go off. So when you're doing y plus 2 cubed, you're really doing y plus 2 times y plus 2 times another y plus 2. So you're going to FOIL these two first, right? So that's going to give me y squared plus 2y plus another 2y plus 4, which then simplifies to y squared plus 4y plus 4. Now we're going to multiply that by this other y plus 2. So remember, this is where you do that distributive property. So you're going to take y squared, multiply it by the y in the 2. So you get y cubed plus 2y squared. Then I'm going to take my 4y, multiply it to both of those. So I get 4y squared plus 8y. And then I take my 4 and multiply it to each of those. So then I get 4y and plus 8. Okay, so then let's simplify that down. So we get y cubed plus 6y squared plus 12y plus 8. So that's what that becomes. So y cubed plus 6y squared plus 12y plus 8. So then we already squared y plus 2, right? That's what we got here. So I'm just going to bring that over. Hold on. I'm trying to just move part of this. Needed to do. Alright, sorry guys, I'm just trying to move this out of the way a little bit. Alright, and then you're going to bring down that 12 plus y plus 2, and then minus 8. So you're going to distribute your negative 6 to these, distribute your 12 to this, and then you will combine like terms and you will be finished with number 6. Hopefully that helps. I know it's tedious. I think that's the only really long one like that. If it's not, sorry, do it anyway. All right, I will see you guys on Monday. Try your best. Turn this in on LMS when you're done.